Dr. Choll Kim here from sunny San Diego, California. I'm at my favorite surgery center, the Mission Valley Heights Surgery Center, where we have the color-coordinated blue team. They're all about efficiency and customer service, and they have all kinds of awesome snacks for the staff in the lounge. That's how you know that they're into it. But more importantly, we have a very special patient. This is the family member of one of my colleagues. She has neck pain and arm pain, and the x-rays look pretty good. She doesn't have very good lordosis, but that's not a problem, and she's got some degenerative disc disease, but the MRI is the most telling. She's got that disc herniation right there and right there. She also has some degenerated discs at the level above, as well as the level above that, but we're going to treat all those other levels non-operatively, which is the same as the post-operative rehab for surgery at this level. We have a couple of choices. Option number one, the most common option, is to do a fusion, but we're going to do a disc replacement because she's young, she's got relatively good alignment, she doesn't have focal kyphosis, she doesn't have horrible facet arthritis, and she wants to maintain motion as close to normal as possible while at the same time realigning her spine partly. So the best way to do that is to do a cervical disc replacement using the Secure C implant, which is my favorite disc replacement implant of all time, at least so far. So we're all hoping for a great result, and I'm going to have to put that in perfectly because perfect is barely good enough. Alrighty, I've got the disc out and I'm reaching back to remove the disc herniation that's pushing on your spinal cord. It is more pushy than on the MRI. It's bigger. So that's a good thing. I'm expecting you to wake up feeling better, at least in terms of your arm pain. But the surgery is going beautifully so far. Finding the pathology, you have good bone. It's almost boring. I've got the implant ready, and for a few thousands of dollars, you can have one too. It's 3 pieces, top, bottom, and then the mobile insert in the middle. I don't know if you can see that, but that's going to go in like a keel. And then we're going to take over the world. Alrighty, I'm so excited. I'm going to put the implant in now. I made the perfect recipient bed, mallet. Look away because this is the part that freaks people out. Malleting something into your neck. It feels so good though. Surgery's all done. It went beautifully. We did it through that little incision right there. And it really is another perfect disc replacement. So, best wishes for a speedy recovery. Woo!
Hi, Dr. Kim. I am 3 days post-op, and I just wanted to thank you for doing my C5-6 minimally invasive disc replacement. You can see the purple stuff from surgery still on there, and the glue or whatever. I just took the bandage off today. It's just 3 days. But I feel incredible. I am sore and achy a little bit, but nothing more than I can handle. My voice is a little bit raspy. I have a little bit of a sore throat. My hands are a little tingly, a little bit of numbness, but nothing like it was before. I think it's just all the residual stuff and trying to recover. I am 100 times better than I was before, and I'm so happy that I did this with you guys. I am able to turn my head now more than I was the day before surgery. It's, like I said, a little sore, but I don't have that sharp pain going down anywhere right now as I do this, which is absolutely incredible. I'm just so thankful for you and your team. You guys have just been top-notch all the way through. And I really appreciate it. You're a rock star, and you really did do another perfect disc replacement. Thank you so much.